Every morning when you wake up and open the bathroom door, you're startled to see cockroaches crawling everywhere, leaving you both frightened and extremely uncomfortable, even if you've already sprayed all kinds of insecticides. They are stubborn, dirty, and seem to never disappear, leaving you feeling both tired and annoyed. Even more dangerously, cockroaches are disease vectors hiding right in your own home. So, is there a simple, safe, and effective way to get rid of cockroaches completely? But don't worry. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 extremely simple, safe, and environmentally friendly tips that are so effective they'll make cockroaches disappear without a trace. You'll be surprised by the unexpected results of these tips. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. To begin, I'll use banana peels. You can use any type of banana. Now I'm going to chop this peel into really small pieces. The smaller the better. Okay, please tell me where you're watching this video from so I know where it's been shared. I've already chopped some here, but as I said, chop it very finely. You can continue chopping it even finer like this. Just cut it into very small pieces like that. Let's put that aside for now. Next, prepare a small tray or box. Here, I'm using a used styrofoam tray. Next, I'll add the honey. Just a small amount. Many people might think honey is expensive, but you see, I don't use a full spoonful. Next, spread the honey evenly across the bottom of the tray. A flat tray is even better. Because honey is very sweet, it will be the first ingredient to create the bait for today's trick. Next, add the chopped banana peel. This is just an example. You can make many such traps at home. Gently mix to dissolve the banana peel into the honey. Next, add sugar, granulated sugar. Sprinkle a little into the mixture. Sugar is also a very good attractant for insects because they are very attracted to sweetness. Finally, the last ingredient is dish soap. You can use any kind. Just add a small amount. The main benefit of dish soap is that it contains ingredients that can harm the digestive system of insects. Therefore, you can effectively eliminate them. Now, place this mixture in the corners where you usually see cockroaches. For example, near the sink, near the trash can, where they usually look for food. You can also place them near drains or on the surface of sinks. These are places where cockroaches often appear. Additionally, place them near drains, behind the stove, and behind the refrigerator, places where insects are most likely to appear. If the infestation is severe, you can repeat this method for about 3 consecutive days. To increase the effectiveness of cockroach repellent, you should combine it with a natural repellent spray made from banana peels. Method 2. Cockroach trap using bananas and flour. No need to spend money on expensive insecticides. Prepare a ripe or overripe banana. Peel the skin, put the flesh in a bowl, and mash it thoroughly. Banana peels have a sweet scent that attracts cockroaches, making it easier to lure them closer to the trap. When combined with baking soda or borax, cockroaches that eat it will be killed. In addition, banana peels help retain moisture in the mixture, increasing its effectiveness in attracting cockroaches. Add flour and baking soda. Mix well. The mixture will become thick, sticky, and have a sweet, attractive scent that cockroaches will find appealing. Place in a small bowl or plastic-lidded container. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place it in areas where cockroaches frequently appear, such as cabinet corners, table legs, and bathrooms. cockroaches will be attracted to the smell of bananas and eat the mixture. When baking soda enters their stomachs, it will react and kill the cockroaches. Method 3. Cockroach trap using onions. Prepare half an onion. Slice thinly or chop finely. It's great that we connect from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you for your support. Put the onions in a small bowl. Place it where cockroaches frequently appear, such as in kitchen cabinets or near drains. Replace the onions every 1 to 2 days to maintain the pungent smell. Cockroaches will avoid areas with the onion smell or be overwhelmed by the strong odor. To increase the effectiveness of cockroach repellent, you should combine it with a natural repellent spray made from banana peels. First, prepare 1 or 2 ripe banana peels. The riper the banana, the stronger the smell and the better the effect. Cut it into small pieces so the essence is released more easily. Next, put all the banana peels into the pot, along with about 400 to 500 milliliters of clean water. Boil. Then reduce the heat and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. When you see the water turn yellowish-brown and emit a light aroma, you can turn off the heat. Allow the solution to cool completely, then filter out the banana peel residue, keeping only the liquid. Now, add about 1 teaspoon of dish soap and stir gently until dissolved. Dish soap will help break down the protective oil layer on the cockroach's body, while also allowing the solution to adhere better to surfaces. Once finished, pour the solution into a spray bottle for convenient use. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When using, spray directly onto areas where cockroaches commonly appear, such as under tables, under toilets, behind refrigerators, or in corners of cabinets. Spray regularly every day, especially in the evening, the time when cockroaches are most active. This solution has the advantages of being safe, economical, and environmentally friendly. If used regularly, you will see a significant reduction in the number of cockroaches because they no longer want to return to areas with this scent. You should use the solution for 2 to 3 days for best results because the natural mixture ferments easily. With just simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can keep your living space clean and pleasant. Set the traps at night for better results, as this is when they are most active. If you find this tip helpful, try it at home. I believe it will help you effectively deal with annoying insects. If you liked the video, please comment, "I want more," so I know you're interested and can share more helpful tips. You can also share which animal you fear the most: cockroaches, mice, or other insects. Thank you for watching. I hope you successfully apply these tips and have a cleaner, more comfortable living space. See you in the next videos.